This is the Meerkat in with the weekend review, good through May the 15th, 2016. Well, in here for Dez, he's traveling back from doing our mentoring, and guess what happened? The bears have now come out, ladies and gentlemen. The bears are out. Watch out. Let's take a look here at the chart, and you'll see what I mean. Let's take a look here at the S&P 500 index. We have what's called a head and shoulders pattern. That is a bearish reversal pattern, and we have broken the neckline right here. If you want to know more about what that bearish pattern is, you can go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com. Go right here where it says Chart School. Just click on that and you'll get different chart patterns. In bearish chart patterns, we have the head and shoulders. If you click on it, it goes right to it. Here's a picture of it. We have a shoulder, then you have a higher swing high, then a lower swing high. You connect these swing lows here, project it out, and if it breaks that, we have a bearish trend reversal pattern. And guess what has happened here on the S&P? It has a bearish trend reversal. It broke the neckline right there on Friday with volume. Folks, the bears are out. Also, if you look down below here with the MACD, we had higher highs, but we had higher lows on the MACD. That was thunder in the distance. We've been talking about that for a couple of weeks now, and sure enough, it's now beginning to follow through. This light purple line, by the way, is the closing line from 2015. So here we are, back down to that level. We start breaking that, we'll be back in the negative for the year. Let's go over to the NASDAQ. And sure enough, this one's not quite as clean, but there's a shoulder, there's a head, had a higher swing high, then a lower swing high. It has not quite broken its neckline here, so it's not quite as bearish as the S&P. Let's take a look here at the small cap Russell. And sure enough, there's a shoulder, there's a head. It's actually above the 200 moving average on the daily, pulled back below, just above, and now it broke its neckline, broke the 50 moving average. This one's also looking in trouble here. So the bears are out. So if you are currently long positions, be sure that you tighten up your stops. And we have not been able to get back up to the highs of last year, and we just keep stalling before we get there. If we take a look at Bank, is Bank going along with us on the daily chart? Nope, just did a bear pullback here, closed below the 50 moving average. So banks are not going with us either. So this is the Meerkat. We were in Vegas doing our 301 mentoring and our 401 advanced mentoring. Here's a picture of our most recent Grok grads for advanced mentoring. Here they are. Well, they don't look very happy about it. Hey folks, how did you like the mentoring? Aha, that's better. If you want to know more about our mentoring program, go to groktrade.com, groktrade.com, and look under mentoring, and I'll explain all about it. This is the Meerkat. Have a great weekend and trade well.